My hair. Practicing pancakes at my house. Sometimes I cook breakfast too. We got sweet potato and kale hash, topped with 2 sunny eggs. So I went to a Friday practice with Texas men's swimming.
There's proof that you hit my ball. I don't think I hit your ball. Here, you get a lampshade, a little gift.
First of all, they got there a half an hour before practice to play 6 square.
It's your elementary school 4 square that people played growing up on the playground. It's more of a finesse game than anything. You can't power it. You get out if you hit it too fast. So it's all about placement and putting spin on the ball. The guys get 3 outs each, and you just keep playing until there's 1 king left, and he's the king of the game and gets bragging rights for the day.
When we first started, we had a lot of lawyers come out of 6 square due to the arguments. Now we go to paper, rock, scissors. And they're not very good at that. Here's Tate's comment. The guy's filming this, and it's the worst players we got.
Whoa! But I mean,
The workout was simple, it was short, it was fast, and it got the guys tired.
You're not pacing me. You gotta go hard or you're wasting your time, our time. The water will be disappointed in you.
So why this set today?
We go fast on Tuesday and Friday. I kind of come in and decide whether we go fast Friday or Saturday relative to how they feel. So I like 3 of anything is the easiest thing to do. Except for 3 2000. Ryan, that looks good.
Telling me that 2 fly is gonna be real good this year. Can't wait. I can't wait either.
Are doing them right. I appreciate it. You'll like it in December.
On Tuesday we did 25's on 3, and me and Brett started off doing them all first like 10 fly, and after that we started getting the groove on freestyle, and Brett would go like a 21.9, or Brett went a 22.9. And I was like, oh, I can do better than that. Went like a 22.3. Brett was like, I can beat that. Goes like a 21.7. I was like, oh, easy peasy. I went like a 21.4. And then I got like Brett really, really angry by like talking some smack. And he pushes a 20.4 and ruins the game because at that point, I'm not gonna beat 20.4 after that many 50s. And we both die.
They both had a couple 23s after that.
We both went like 23s, and then we were able to bring it back down. I gotta start. 15 seconds.
And again, the best part was by far the warm down at the end.
guys, actually do this 100 swim, 100 king. That's what we're gonna do.
They seem excited.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so we were gonna do another round of that set, 4 more rounds through with fins on. We have another tradition on the team that started probably maybe 3 years ago when we started using snorkels for warm-up. The guys would throw the snorkel and try to hook it on the far flags. so 20 yards away. And usually at the beginning of practice, the rule is if you hook it, then we get in a minute late. So sometimes you guys will get maybe like 2 or 3 guys that'll hook it on a day, which is a really good day, and we'll get in 2 or 3 minutes late. Shevit, right before we were about to start the set, he said if I hook this, warm down and we get out, and I said, all right, fine. And he literally hooked it, probably about the most perfect hook I've seen. So now we're warming down and getting out.
I know.
Last summer, we had NC State come in, and they trained with us for a week. Todd brought a bunch of guys down. We were training long course, and they had never seen the snorkel throwing that we always do. And when we go long course, there's a 25-meter rope. You can kind of see it's black. It's a little bit hard to see, but the guys try to hook it on there.
Okay.
And Ryan Held was standing between lanes 2 and 3 over there on the platform. Went to throw it. It slipped out of his hand, and he ended up landing up there on that white shelf next to that big banner.
Wait, so all the way up there?
Yeah, all the way like